Welcome to the brief tutorial on registration at Baker College. Before we begin, it is important to note a few do's and don'ts for registration. It is best to use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome as your browser. Be sure to type in correct titles and course codes. Be sure to type in your information in the correct fields or you won't find any listings for courses you are searching for. Do not click the back button on your browser. If you do this, you can highlight the URL and click the Enter button on your keyboard. This will return you to the screen where you left off. To register, from the My Baker website, click Login and then enter your Baker username and password. To access the registration area of the student portal, click on One Stop. Scroll down and click Registration. Click on the Register Here button on the left side menu. If you need to change your schedule at a later date, you can go back into registration from this location. Select the term and student program. Click on the Complete the Registration Agreement form at the bottom of your screen. The first time you register each semester, you will be prompted to review and click on the Complete the Registration Agreement form. Clicking the I agree to these registration requirements at the bottom of this page confirms your acknowledgement. From this screen, you are now able to add a course you wish to take next term and drop a course you no longer wish to take. Click the drop-down arrow next to Course Program and select the appropriate program, undergraduate or graduate. Click the pull-down arrow next to Campus and select your preferred campus to view their course offerings. At this point, you are able to search by course code or click on the More Search options, which allows you to filter for particular days of the week. Demonstrated in this example, we are searching for a management course. The course code for management is MGT. Next to course code, type in MGT and click the search button. Be sure to type in the correct course code or you will not find any classes available. Using the same example, all of the MGT courses being offered on the Flint campus are shown. Click in the Add box next to the course you are selecting. Assuming there are no prerequisites or you have met the prerequisites for the course selected, the registration for the course is complete when you click the Add Courses button. Please note, if you are taking a course that requires a lab or other co-requisite, be sure to search for the correct course title, code, and time. Be sure you choose a lab section on your preferred campus that does not conflict with the time of the lecture course and click the Add Concurrent Courses button. Your schedule shows up on the bottom of the screen and you will have a message of the courses you successfully added. Check to see if this is correct before moving on. To add another course, repeat the same process. There may be an instance where you need to drop a class. To do this, click next to the course you wish to drop and click the Drop Selected Course button. Once you successfully drop a class, the message will appear on your screen. That is all there is to registering for classes at Baker College, quick and easy. For additional assistance with registration, please stop by or contact the One Stop office on your campus.